The Mercedes-Benz After Advanced Vehicle Transformation concept car, inspired by Avatar, is a visionary leap in automotive design and technology. It features a fully electric powertrain that enhances acceleration and efficiency, showcasing a lightweight structure and advanced aerodynamics for exceptional performance. One of its notable innovations is the unique wheel design, allowing lateral movement for improved maneuverability. Coupled with an AI-based interface, the After offers an intuitive driving experience, adapting to the user's commands seamlessly. Sustainability is central to the After, using biodegradable materials for its interior and aiming for minimal environmental impact with its battery technology. Overall, the After redefines the future of automotive performance, blending speed, design, and ecological responsibility into a compelling vision for modern transportation.